You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You'd be like heaven.
Ay, sobrang happy. Alam nyo, pinagdadasal ko pa lang na gusto ko magkaanak. Then God gave me my son. Alam, naiyak agad ako.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you.
Kaya nung dumating si Arden, sobrang saya talaga. I cannot explain.
There are no words left to speak, but if you feel like I feel.
So, Aryan, Kaden. Then, yung first word ng Aryan is R, and then sa Kaden yung Den. Pinagsama na lang namin. Arden, yung nickname.
I need you, baby.
Happy birthday, Arden! Thank you for inviting us and your cousin Sabia. I wish you good health at saka lumaki ka na God-fearing and na love mo yung mommy and daddy mo. Happy birthday again!
Based sa mga warriors kasi yung daddy niya is a soldier. Kaya gusto ng daddy niya pang soldier din yung name ng anak namin.
Now that I'm
Happy birthday, Arden!
Sobrang kulit sa akin, sobrang dikit ng dikit, ayaw humiwalay. Gusto palagi na sa mami.
can't take my eyes off of you.
Happy birthday,
So much at long last love has
Happy birthday, Arden. Thank you as dumating ka sa buhay ko, sa buhay namin ng daddy mo. Wish ko sana lumaki ka mabait, magalang, mapagmahal sa magulang, sa mga lolo't lola mo, sa mga pinsan mo.
baby to walk.
Happy birthday, Arden!
Trust in me when I say
Mahal na mahal ka namin ni daddy. Sana hindi ka magbago. Maging malambing ka pa rin palagi sa amin. I love you, anak. Happy birthday.
stay and let me love you, baby.